Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford. I'm in the restoration department and I'm here to show you a unique opportunity. Let's take a look. Now, it'd be one of my dreams and maybe a customer's dream to build a Porsche exactly the way that we liked. And this is a 1971 car that we have stripped. We've done all the metalwork and we're now doing the final gapping of it, making the body super accurate and ready for paint. And that's where this opportunity comes alive, really, is that this is a car that if you got involved in it now, you could choose your own colour, choose your own interior, choose a lot of your own details, even choose the engine and transmission combination. If that's interesting for you, do get in touch. This will be a beautiful, beautiful car done. We have our own, or I have my own idea as to how to finish it and what we're doing that'll make this car unique. So if we didn't have someone step forward, I'm going to have the time of my life. I'm going to have a car built exactly the way I'd like it. But if you'd like to take my place, give me a call. Thank you.